Welcome to this product demonstration of Datasym's new Menumate electronic meal ordering app, Menumate PWA. PWA stands for Progressive Web App, and Datasym have developed this new installable web application of Menumate to allow it to be run cross-platform across all popular operating systems, including iOS, Android and Windows. Let's log in and take a closer look. Having logged in successfully, we're presented with the main menu. You'll notice that the Menumate app automatically syncs the most up-to-date data from the server it's connected to upon first logon. The first thing we're going to see is how to place an order from the meal order button at the top. Having selected the meal order button, we're presented with the location group selection screen. This allows for multi-site electronic meal ordering, where multiple menu analysis groups can be configured, displayed and ordered from. I'm going to choose Hythe as my location group, which represents a single hospital within a trust of hospitals. This takes us to the location screen, displaying the list of wards grouped for Hythe and available to choose from. The Menumate system can be configured to limit which wards a particular user can place meal orders for, if required. From the list of wards, I'll choose Bright Pine. Here, the system will move us to the meal selection screen, displaying the current active menus that can be ordered from. Active menus can be planned to accommodate your meal service operations and do not have to be ordered at the same time, should you require such flexibility. I'm going to choose the supper meal service, which will move the app to the bed selection screen. This lists the available bays and beds for the selected ward that we can place a meal order against. Taking the first bed, Bay 1, Bed 1, shifts us to the order screen, where you, as the end user, can adjust the portion size, dietary menu, based on the patient's dietary needs, and filter on the tolerated allergens to ensure the system only presents dishes which are tolerated by the patient from an allergen perspective. Select Next from the top right corner of the screen and it will take us to the menu items. The menu items are grouped by dish category, and these dish categories are significant because you can limit the number of dish choice selections by category. For example, you can see that only one soup can be selected from the soup dish category. Should a change of dish be required, the user can deselect the selected option and start again. The green V next to each dish that it's next to indicates a vegetarian dish, and the red heart flag represents a healthy eating dish. Having made a dish selection, displays a notepad icon next to the dish. This allows for a note to be recorded via free text against the dish as an instruction to the kitchen. Select Save from the top right corner to post the additional dish note against the order. From the information button provided against each dish, you can also view an image of the dish and access dish-specific nutritional information underneath. Using the allergen tab, you can also view the allergen information for this dish too. Now I'm going to continue to place a full order. Moving through the dish categories, making my selections. When satisfied with the order, the next thing to do is to select Next from the top right corner of the screen. And the order summary screen will present itself. Here, the order placed can be reviewed by scrolling. An ad hoc name can be added. to the name field. This name is not recorded anywhere within the back office database. And when ready, select Save from the top right hand corner again to post the meal order. I would also like to demonstrate how to place a meal order for a non-standard diet for a different bed. Having selected level 4 pureed, you should notice that the menu items are different from the standard menu, where the selection of a different diet presents an alternative menu suitable for a level 4 pureed diet. One thing I'd also like to show you is that notes can also be captured against the entire order. These additional notes against the order are recorded as order exceptions, which can be highlighted to the kitchen for each order recorded against in a single back office report. Once again, when you're ready to select Save, do so from the top right corner of the screen to post the meal order. Meal orders that have been posted are highlighted by a green line against the bay and bed. The Menumate PWA app also has the ability to indicate to the kitchen when all orders have been successfully completed for that particular ward and meal service. This then shows the meal highlighted in green too. Now I'm going to show you that bulk waste can be recorded within the Menumate PWA app too. In the same way as a meal order, the location group, location and meal service must be selected to ensure the waste data is being recorded for the correct ward and meal which has been supplied food for. Bulk waste allows you to record the wastage of an entire dish only and will only present dishes that have been ordered previously to record waste against. I'm going to waste the chicken soup and also a shepherd's pie. From the top right corner, we've also got the Save button to post that bulk waste back to the back office. Another feature of the Menumate PWA app is its menu viewer. This can be used to view past, present and future menus to provide information to the patients and ward staff without the need for paper menus at the bedside. These viewable menus cannot be ordered from where it is not possible to make dish selections. But you can view menus from all available dietary menus. New to Menumate PWA is the event log. This feature presents messages that are logged daily with a calendar function to review messages historically. This new feature of the Menumate app can help to identify and diagnose unexpected events from a support perspective. When the Menumate PWA app is logged into, it will automatically sync the most up-to-date data, as demonstrated at the top of this video. The Sync with Server button is available from the main menu to allow this function to be performed manually to pull down the latest updates whenever necessary. That concludes this demonstration of Datasym's new Menumate PWA offering. Thank you for watching.